This is a continued video where we are trying to install Windows server using virtual media. So this is the second part. So once you connected ISO file to the virtual media, so this screen will come. So click on next. So here I am using ID rack, RAID 5. So we will see how our hard drive will show in the installation. So let's wait to get this screen. So here these steps I will select. I am using a desktop experience, so you can select whatever you want, data center or just the core. So here I am using standard desktop experience. So click on next. License agreement I accept, click on next. So I'm using custom for clean installation. So this is my RAID 5, so it is the overall space. So I'm going to create partition for this C. So let me check how much I want to give, because it is huge. So I'm trying to give 1 TB, that is 1024 into 1000 GB is equal to 1 TB. So 1024000. So this size I will be giving. I know this 102400, which is 1 TB I am giving for C drive. Click OK. Here we can see it is 1 TB for C drive and 549 MB, that is for system reserve. So this is the remaining space. I will create another partition. Click apply. So this I cannot use because this is hot spare hard drive. So for example, if one hard drive got failed, so they can switch by removing this, so it will reboot the OS. So click the C partition, that is active one. Click on next. Here we go. So the installation will work, hopefully. Yeah, it's working. So that's all guys. So rest feature will be like, once the installation is done, so it will ask you for a admin password. Just give the admin password and you are done. Thank you. Have a great day.